May I come in, sir?
Come in, please.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good afternoon. Please take a seat.
Thank you,
Mr.
sir.
Praveen S. How do you pronounce your last name? Ankalagi.
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 Yes, sir.
Briefly introduce yourself to us.
Sir, myself Praveen from Adarga village, Vijaypur district, Karnataka. And my schooling were from my village. And from 5th standard, I studied in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. And then my undergraduation was from NIT Surathkal, Karnataka, in civil engineering. And from 10th standard onwards, I deeply passionate about physics and mechanics. That led me to the choose of civil engineering. And even I completed honors degree in civil engineering from NIT Surathkal. And through campus placement, I got placed in BEL in Panchkula, Chandigarh. There I worked for 1 year, 20 months. Then I resigned from job, sir.
Okay. Sir.
So, you come from Navodaya Vidyalaya. Can you tell me some background of creation of Navodaya Vidyalayas?
Sir, Navodaya Vidyalayas are created by when Nehru was president, sir.
Pandit Nehru or Nehruji?
Nehruji, sorry, sir. Nehruji was when president.
Minister,
Yes, sir. Sorry, Prime Minister. And it was mainly created for the development of village and village people for education and bringing them to the modern education. And a year I don't remember, sir.
Don't you think these Navodaya Vidyalaya was created in 80s? If I...
बिल्कुल.
I don't
80s.
remember, sir.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय से कंफ्यूज कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, केंद्रीय विद्यालय तो पहले के थे. This Navodaya Vidyalaya in 50s. Please study this, because कि कब बने थे, क्या था. गूगल पे सब मिल जाएगा.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Another is regarding our project, BEL.
Yes.
Your work, BEL.
Yes.
So what does it produce in Panchkula?
Sir, in Panchkula, we produce avionics and communication systems, sir, mainly. And for Army, Navy, and Air Force, sir. And now they are diversifying from like metros, PSD developed in...
What they were producing in your time?
These all are ongoing projects only, sir. And smart city also we handled. And PSD means platform screen doors for metros. Slowly they are diversifying from the army background, defense
Electronics
to some other electronics related in the domestic markets, sir.
Okay. So what was your job there, profile?
So my profile was deputy engineer at E2 level. And I was handling the civil engineering and renovation projects in the Panchkula unit. And I was the only one person civil engineer for the entire unit that time due to the retirement of 2-3 people, sir. And I handled around 35 crore projects in that duration, 1 year, 8 months. And mostly big projects I completed. And I was involved in many other projects also for the estimations and files, approvals like that. But these only 35 crore from starting to end I completed.
In very short span.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of projects these were? Because they must be highly technical in nature.
Yes, sir. One was smart city building, sir, in Chandigarh. We have to build 3 buildings in which 2 buildings were completed and one was just structure was completed. After I gone, finishing work has to be taken by me, sir. And there were 15 crore projects which were for the development of regional product support center, we call that. In the vicinity of army and defense we create. Like in the Pathankot we have created one, and Jodhpur, Batinda and Panchkula, sir, where the initially which the defective product has to come to the origin locations to repair. Now we have created buildings and PEB structure there itself, facility for the repairs. And
Inside?
Yes, inside their campuses only. And another was a renovation project I involved Officers Club.
Okay. So what is the difference between a normal building and a smart building?
Sir, in smart building we use a lot of sensors and we try to optimize the use of electricity and waters and the energy used for the buildings, like even walkable, easy to use. We optimize it like in light, fans, ACs. We try to optimize all of these things.
So if we have to make this, if hotel owner says make this a smart building,
Yes.
so that our consumption of electricity and water, everything is reduced.
Yes.
So what will you change in this so that it is smart? You convert normal building, this normal building to a smart building.
Yes.
So once I enter from the gate, how to find the difference?
Yes, sir. Sir, one main thing we can see the color of the painting outside. If we put the lighter color, it will absorb the less heat, sir. And in the roof also we can paint the white color, which will now dual purpose paints are there, which will use for the waterproofing and reflective of the sunlight. This is one thing. And other thing, we can integrate the sensors which are now in the market. Like when a person moves out of the room or inside, it will detect and it will turn on and turn off the automatically. And for the ACs, we can use for the complete system for the building instead of split ACs. So that like HVAC we have
So have you created a smart building, or you have seen it, or at what stage you are associated with a smart building?
Sir, my part was only handling this civil finishing work, like in the smart city building, finishing work and all that. But after that, other team was taken for the creating interior design. There I seen, sir, a lot of the smart lights and fans, ACs, all they were into.
Basically modernization of your light and this and that.
Yes,
that is
sir.
only difference.
And for water also we can use lot of sensors, sir.
So once you reflect the word, once you utter a word, smart building, you should know what is smart. Once I've been to a smart building, not here, it is overseas only.
Yes.
So once I entered in the gate, lights were lit.
Yes.
Earlier they were diffuse type, then it came out.
Yes.
And once you keep moving, lights are that will go off.
Yes.
Color of the wall, it will just change.
Yes.
Once if you are standing there, it will be different, otherwise different. So many features they have added. So you should know what all features you can add to that.
Oh.
Lifts. If I want to go at 10th floor, I am at 2nd floor, it will stop at 10th floor only. They will put more lifts.
Yes.
But lesser electricity consumption. So many features you have to study what are the features and how do they work.
Praveen,
Yes, sir.
you come from NIT Surathkal.
Yes, sir.
NIT Surathkal has a beach.
Yes, sir.
So, if you are an engineer present at a location where there is a beach, so what civil engineering precautions you will take?
Sir, one, we have to take care of the liquefaction, sir. For that we have to use, if loads are very high, then we have to go for the compaction piles, sir. And due to chloride, there will be corrosion of reinforcement. We have to go for the higher cover and try to use the hydrophobic cements for the reduction of cracks. And now if it is the most important building and high value building, then we can go for the smart concrete, which will reduce the cracks, sir, automatically in the and increase the durability. And we have to go for the pitched roof, so that water will come very easily. That's all I can able to remember.
What about sulfates?
So sulfates affects in mainly foundation area. For that we have to go for the sulfate resisting cement or concrete, which that's all. Sorry, sir, I am able to remember this one.
For concreting, can I use seawater?
Sir, in the extreme condition, if normal water is not available, can be used with the precautions, but normally it is suggested to avoid it, sir.
For RCC or PCC?
Sir, both, sir. In only extreme condition, if it not available, we can use with the precautions, sir. Otherwise, it is not recommended at all.
But in extreme condition we can.
Yes, sir. If not, and
It is told to avoid, but in extreme condition we can use.
yes, sir. If purification of water become very huge cost, and the admixture which are reducing this effect are less costly, then we can take advantage of that value.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. This one, I'm sure, sir.
If you have to make your own house
Yes,
in
sir.
Surathkal,
Yes, sir. In Suratkal, normal water is available, sir.
Let's say
Yes, sir.
you have to make your own house.
Yes.
Normal water is not available. That's my second condition.
Yes.
You'll use seawater.
Sir, if admixtures are available, then I can mix and use it.
Which admixture you'll use?
I am not aware of that, sir. Sorry, sir, I am not aware.
What kind of salts will be present in seawater?
Sir, normally NaCl is present and MgCl2 also present, sir. And
Chlorides will be present.
Yes, sulfates are also present, sir. And nitrates also there. Mainly the
And what these
pollutants.
sulfates and nitrates will do to the concrete and reinforcement?
Sir, they will damage the CSS gel and increase the porosity, and water will enter
Reinforcement?
into it will corrosion or
So you told it is told you can use in emergency situation.
Sir, I read about it
Where?
in ChatGPT. I searched and I studied about it more than 1 hour.
ChatGPT.
Yes, sir. In more than 1 hour, I studied about it only, particularly because I am from that background. And they suggested that now admixtures are present to reduce these effects, sir.
Did you read IS code?
Yes, sir.
What is written over there about it?
It's about written, sir, less than 6 pH water is not recommendable, and limits for the sulfate.
Seawater.
Exactly. sentence
Which
I'm
IS
not
code I
able
am
to-
talking about?
456, sir.
Which year?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall.
IS for which year version we are using?
Sir, maybe
1972, 1986.
2006, I think, sir, but I'm not sure, sir.
Fine, you did work at your site,
Yes.
building work, right?
Yes.
Which grade of concrete you were using?
M25, sir.
What was code?
IS 456, sir, but here I'm for mixed design. It's 10262.
Which
but
version it
design-
is?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able.
Who did the design?
From Bangalore, it is to come, sir, a headquarter.
From headquarters.
Yes, sir.
What was the size of the column?
Sir, 300 into 450.
It was a building?
Yes, sir. In front, 30 meter by 30 meter, it was building, and behind it, 30 meter into 60 meter was PEB structures.
It was official building, right?
In front, we have office building, and backyard of it, we have PEB structure where repairs will be happening, sir.
It was a framed structure or load bearing?
Framed structures.
What is difference between framed and load bearing structure?
So load bearing, the load will be transferred partially to the walls and partially to the columns and beams. And in the frame structure, entire load will be transferred to the beams and columns to the foundations.
Sir.
Okay. So, Praveen, I see that you play volleyball.
Yes, sir.
What is a carry in a volleyball?
Sir, I think if front palm of the to both hands touches with the separation of hand, then we call it as a carry, sir. I think.
But both the hands can be touched at a single time. Everywhere there are a lot of contacts when you are lifting the ball.
Yes, sir.
At that time, both the hands are in contact.
I'm not much aware of it, sir.
Why does a player jump while serving?
Sir, to get the inclination, sir, if we do the serving from the lower levels, it has to go to the parabolic and it will get a lot of time in the air. The other person can judge about it. But when a person jumps and drops, it will be go like and to the with the lot of force he will push the ball, and it will he get higher inclination so that the ball will go to the very low level to the other persons.
Sometimes we see that players provide a spin to the ball.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, to deviate the direction and confuse the other person, sir.
So, what is the law of physics that works over here?
Sir, Mango's effect works here.
Mango's effect.
Yes, sir.
Magnus.
Sorry, sir. Pronunciation, I don't know.
Okay.
When rotation happens, one side it will be higher velocity and other side it will be lower velocity, due to which pressure difference occurs due to the Bernoulli equation if you apply, and which creates the pressure in the other direction to ball to move, sir.
Okay. So why don't we use this Magnus effect in a top spin so that it will fall down?
That also we use, sir. Even I used to use it, sir.
Okay, you use it.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, what is reinforced concrete?
Sir, concrete is very weak in tensile, and to increase its strength in tensile, we use the reinforced concrete, where steels are used to reinforce it and increase the tension part of it to strengthen, and so that we can load it to the higher loads.
What are the different reinforcements we use?
Sir, FE 250, FE 415, FE 500, and recently FE 550.
These are grades of steel.
Okay, sir.
I'm asking different materials.
Sir, in the different materials, steel can be used, and now presently carbon fibers are there, and glass fibers are there, and bamboos are there, sir.
So, do we use bamboos with concrete?
Sir, bamboos is in research stage, and Intel not used, but lot of recent building which are environment friendly are being constructed with it.
What is the advantage of using bamboos?
Sir, bamboo is very strong in tensile strength, and it's a very environmental friendly, where it creates, with the short span of time, we can grow a lot of bamboo, and the effect on the environment is very less, sir.
And what is the disadvantage of it?
So cost of bamboos may increase, and durability will reduce, and if water enters to the bamboo, and it can affect the strength of the bamboos.
Okay. We see that in these reinforcements, most of the time mild steel is used. Why?
So mild steel gives the ductility property, where in the earthquake also, it can give us some time to escape the persons.
But let's say if you use, instead of mild steel, if you use very strong steel, like high carbon steel, they have a much higher strength. So won't that be beneficial, because they will not let the concrete crack?
Sir, but sudden failure will be occurring in the high carbon steel, sir.
Let's say sudden failure, you are saying.
Yes.
I have a stress of 500 MPa. FE 250 versus FE 550. Which one is better to sustain this 5 MPa load or 500 MPa load?
So now we are using FE 500 only.
Yeah, I'm asking, I'm giving you two options.
Okay, sir.
FE 250 versus 550.
Okay, sir.
You have 500 MPa load. Which one is better?
FE 500 will, 550 will be better, sir.
So 550 is high carbon.
Yes, sir.
So why don't we use very frequently 550? Why we use 250?
Sir, now we are using FE 500, and 50 is in research stage, sir. In future we are able to use, but presently its ductility property is very less due to processing and alloys. If we able to increase the ductility of it, and it can be used, sir. And prices are not very much difference. From 415 to 550, almost same price we get.
Okay. So you are already working. Now you left your job and you are preparing, I suppose, for engineering services. Why do you want to join Indian Railways?
Sir, one main thing is it will give a opportunity to work in futuristic project like hyperloop bullet train and the metros and RRTS from the deputation point of view. And other is continuous skilling, sir. In the past job, skilling was missing and they were focusing on only electronics persons, employees training, not civil engineers. And here I can get that also.
But why didn't you join companies like L&T, which are pioneers in civil engineering?
Sir, the opportunity and impact we can create and serve the nation is much far better here, sir, I think.
So how is serving in Indian Railways far better than compared to, let's say, being a managing director of L&T?
Sir, if I can say the 1 rupee I earned and how much I create for the organization, that is very much higher in the railways, sir.
But we are the spending people. We are not creating people.
Sir, but we are seeing only from the revenue point of view. If we see from the how much it contributes to GDP and how much it helps to the poor people, how much it's said as the backbone of India, and
Okay.
it contributes to 1% of GDP, sir.
Chick. So,
Okay. Tell me, there is a change in the way our national highways are numbered.
Sorry, sir, I'm not aware of it.
NH2, NH22, NH40, NH60,
I'm not aware of it.
61, 63. There is an east, west, and north, south, odd, even business. Are you aware of it?
Odd even I heard, sir, but
tell me.
exact numbering system. I
Exact numbering, nobody knows. That's the job of the Google. So, north, south, how are they numbered?
North south are even numbers, sir, and east west are odd numbers. North south even from our NIT front one NH.
So, which one is NH1?
Sir, longest highway from Srinagar to Kanyakumari is NH1, sir, I think, but I'm not sure of it, sir.
Just now you said that north to south is even numbers.
Sorry, sir.
It is given to the pride of place is given to the Grand Trunk Road, is it not?
I'm
Chalo, figure it out.
Okay, sir.
Also, you will figure out which is the national highway which goes through Andaman Nicobar Islands. You will figure it out. Read it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Tell me, you belong to Karnataka and Bangalore has had its Venice moments, right?
Yes.
What am I talking about?
Traffic congestions.
No. Venice. Full of water, waterlogged,
Okay.
flooding,
Flooding.
water everywhere.
Okay, sir. हाँ.
Venice में तो roads है ही नहीं ना. They only use boats.
Okay, sir.
So why, as a civil engineer, why did this happen?
Sir, one thing we can say is it's a very old city, and like Chandigarh, if we say that it's a new city and it is planned city, but
Okay.
in Bangalore, we extended.
The oldest known city is Varanasi,
Okay, sir.
Kashi. Except for probably Damascus, it is the oldest continuously inhabited city in the world. वहाँ तो नहीं होता. So old city is not the logic.
Sir, that is small and this is very big, and encroachment of lakes, river banks is very high in
Correct.
the
Come
Bangalore.
on that.
Yes, sir.
As a civil engineer,
Yes,
we are
sir.
not talking about old new.
Yes.
Right? As a civil engineer, what were the reasons why this flooding happened?
And low maintenance was one of the reasons, sir, of drains and encroachment.
Come to this 𝐂𝐸𝐷. Most important reason was what?
Encroachment, sir. Where if I can explain, the lower level should be free for the storage of water like ponds and all that. And if we build buildings there itself, all the water flows into the lower level, sir.
Correct.
It will cause the floodings.
There were probably 100 such spots, green spots, where the water would percolate down.
Yes.
It was covered with concrete, so that is the biggest reason.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you were supposed to have lakes and you were supposed to have land.
Yes.
When land encroached upon the lakes,
Yes.
this problem happened. Second, that was the biggest reason. The second one was,
And sir, payments surface, sir, we can say. How much area is for the percolation, how much area is for the
no, that is there,
payment.
but C&D waste was not cleared.
Yes, sir, maintenance was very less.
Maintenance, so the drains were clogged. I'm telling you this because this is typically how it will be asked.
Yes, sir.
So you can't start with, I'm ending your interview here.
Okay.
You see, the point is, there may be 10 reasons. You have to give the first and second reasons, which are the most important, right in the beginning.
Yes, okay.
Don't bring them to the seventh or eighth priority.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Which is exactly why I asked this question. There are 10 reasons. In general, whenever you are asked a question which has a longish answer, I've written here, do not be in a hurry to answer.
Okay.
Pause.
Yes.
Firstly, say, may I take a few seconds?
Oh.
Pause and think and frame the answer here first.
Okay.
when you frame the answer, the first 3 most important sentences should come out first.
Okay, sir.
That is the purpose
Okay, sir.
of thinking.
Sir, I can write these points.
ये आपके इधर में लिखा है, but you can
It's
write.
all written over here. This will be given to you.
Okay. Sir.
But you please go ahead.
Yeah.
अपने शब्दों में, write it in your own words.
Yes, yes.
The most important part of your answer is the first 6, 7, 10 seconds,
Okay.
not the 30th second. So, right in the beginning, you have to punch hard
Okay.
with your answer. Throughout this interview, I had the feeling you were in a hurry to answer.
Okay, sir.
जैसे ही सवाल खत्म हुआ, you want to answer. No, relax.
Sir, I used to take break, but in last interview they given me don't take that much of pause.
No. If you take a pause for routine things,
Yes.
fine. This is a trick which you should follow.
Yes, sir.
But before that, you should say, "Sir, may I take a few seconds?"
Okay, sir.
Nobody will say no. There are questions which require no pause. Is it day or night? I mean, you don't have to think.
Correct.
But things which require this sort of priority evaluation and ABC analysis, you have to do all that very quickly,
Okay.
right? That is what I'm trying to say. If you are given a what if situation, this happens, then what will happen, that thing, you obviously cannot give a ready-made answer. So you have to think and analyze. That's all I have to say.
Praveen,
Yes.
I asked you certain questions.
Yes, sir.
You are goofing up badly.
Yes. Sir, BMC I am not prepared. Okay.
Tell, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Sir, when they were asking continuously, that time also I can stop them, sir. Like, because sir, my favorite subject is SOM. I didn't get much question from that. Last time also same happened with me.
अरे तो बैट्समैन से पूछ के बॉल डालते हैं क्या?
Okay. I'm thinking, sir, like BMC is a very basic subject. I cannot stop them. Like,
When is your interview?
29th, sir.
Prepare.
Yes, sir. I'm going to
BMC,
prepare BMC.
irrigation, hydrology.
Sir, I'm not interested in those two subjects.
It's not about your interest. It's about their interest.
Sir, but I will be trapped in between, sir. I think if
Why?
I start.
If you prepare, why you will be trapped? You know what you were asking, what you were telling.
Yes, sir.
You see water. I searched from ChatGPT. Why didn't you read IS 456? It's written over there. Never ever recommended for RCC, and in unavoidable cases, it is recommended for PCC.
Okay.
There is a clause for seawater.
Okay.
There is a table, it's written over there. You are telling, sir, I asked from ChatGPT. ChatGPT doesn't know our codes. For a civil engineer, the Bible is IS code.
Yes. Sorry for that.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Yes. So,
अब आप
read all
बोलोगे
this.
विकिपीडिया से पढ़ा है. That's not how things work.
Sir, but-
At least don't admit it,
Okay, sir. Okay.
because you'll be judged harshly on this.
हाँ.
You said that, sir, I had
written that.
studied it. I'm not too sure of this. May I take a guess?
Sir, but coming to that irrigation and hydrology, I'm very weak in that, sir. I'm strong in strength of material, structural part.
See, you have time, prepare it. Brother, I'm telling, see, will he ask, I'm giving you a short pitch length ball, Rohit Sharma, are you ready to hit the pull shot over mid-on? Will they ask like this?
So then complete subject I have to prepare or only general?
See, read the book.
Okay.
Read the book. They will not tell you to solve the question on hydrograph. They'll ask you questions. What is catchment area? What is ridge line? You have a hydrograph. There are point of inflection. Rising leg, falling leg. Why there is a point of inflection over there? Such kind of questions which are, the answers are given in the book.
Okay.
Right? Do it. Seriously, you have time, right?
Yes, sir.
So do it, and it is very important.
Docs.
Fine.
Yes.
It's not like that. Sir, my favorite subject are soil geotech. If you get CWC, sir, my favorite subject was SOM geotech, but this department is CWC. So I don't know anything, sir, and I am not interested, so I'll not do the job. But I'll come to the office because I need salary. I'll sit over here, and that's it, sir.
Okay, sir.
लेट मी पुट इट दिस वे, कोई डॉक्टर के पास जाता है और बोलता है मेरे पाँव में दर्द हो रहा है, इज द डॉक्टर गोइंग टू से नो नो दैट ईयर आई डिडंट स्टडी द लेग वाला पार्ट चैप्टर मैंने छोड़ दिया था, गेस्ट पेपर में नहीं था, आई कैन ओनली ट्रीट योर ईयर एंड नोज. Understood? So don't ever say that मेरा वो सब्जेक्ट फेवरेट नहीं है. Either you know it or don't know it. So work hard and please, I have written here, you should be very careful about what you speak.
Exactly.
Carry on.
Best of luck. You'll get this feedback.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Two things, just a quick.
Okay, sir.
Put on a tie and the sport shoes you need to.
अभी के लिए शू पहना सर, अब बाद में के लिए है.
It's okay.
Okay.
All the best.
Okay, sir.